Welcome to another InvoiceBerry tutorial. Today we're learning how to add an expense to your InvoiceBerry account. Head over to the expenses page and click on New Expense. Now you can add an expense. For example, $100 today. Now, if you haven't added any expenses yet, there won't be any vendors or categories to select. So just start typing. For example, British Airways, and click on Add British Airways. From now on, this vendor will always be available. And as category, we select travel, click on Add. Then you can select if you want to add a tax or not. And you can add a note if you want. Flights to London. You can also attach a file to that expense. And if you want, you can also attach that expense to a specific client. I just save it as a general expense. And that's it.